spring cleaning before the Lunar New Year. Peter and Carol are shopping for cleaning supplies before the Lunar New Year.
I've got cleaning agents, a new scrub brush, and some rubber gloves.
Great. We'll need those for the kitchen and bathrooms.
Should we buy some cleaning cloths to wipe the windows and polish the furniture?
No, don't bother. We've got enough scrap cloth to make rags.
All right, what else do we need for a thorough cleaning? We already have brooms, mops, and buckets at the house.
Actually, I was thinking of buying a new vacuum cleaner. What do you think?
Are you sure? That would be quite an expensive purchase.
I know, but think about all the dust in the carpets upstairs.
You're right. I guess we can afford it if you think it's necessary.
Excellent. Everything has to be perfect when our relatives come over for dinner.
What about the attic? We haven't cleaned it in years.
I think it's about time that we dealt with it. We'll need a bunch of garbage bags.
Sure. I'll go grab some and meet you near the checkout.